Thank you. So this is right in the middle of BGC High Street. Nasa tapat siya directly ng Nike store at saka ng Krispy Kreme. This is the Jameson Distillery Tour. It's a free event. Pwede kang pumasok, kailangan mo lang mag-register. But of course, you have to be 18 years old and above para makapasok dito. Inside, may mga activities like may mga football game, may stage dito, may nagko-concert dito pag weekend. Tapos over there, meron dong distillery tour kung saan pinapakita nila kung paano ginagawa yung Jameson whiskey. Tapos meron din daw tasting ng mga variants, ng mga variations ng whiskey ng Jameson. Mamaya pupunta tayo doon, papasok tayo doon sa Jameson Distillery Tour. Meanwhile, itong iniinom ko it's a cocktail mix. Jameson, tapos meron siyang ginger ale and fresh lime. Sarap siya. Over here, they call this wall of connection. So may mga photographs dito. Mga pictures ng mga taong umattend dito, I guess, mga nagpunta na rito. Nagbe-blend yung polo ko sa background. I'm not a whiskey person. Hindi ako mahilig sa whiskey. I'm more of a beer person. As you know, everyone knows in these channels na beer lang. Panay beer ang mga iniinom ko. I'm a beer nerd. But I know some people na talagang whiskey nerds din. Pumupunta sila dun sa mga event like Whiskey Live, wherein dun ka pwede talagang tumikim or kumuha or bumili ng mga iba-ibang klase ng whiskey. But I can say that Jameson, it's a good entry point for people who would like to try out or venture into drinking whiskey. Madali siyang inumin. Although I don't know if it's because of the cocktail mix na binigay sa akin. But I find it so easy to drink. It's very refreshing. Mas nalalasahan ko yung lime and the ginger ale than the whiskey itself. I guess it's a good barometer because good whiskey nga naman is, you know what good whiskey is kapag it blends well with the other ingredients na pwede mong ihalo. Jameson is a good Irish whiskey. I don't know anything about whiskey sa totoo lang, so I'm not gonna pretend to know what Irish whiskey is. But I just know that it's a good drink. I like it.
Yeah, alam mo na. The best ka nakapunta rito?
First time.
First time. Paano mo nalaman to?
Guess lang, wild guess lang.
Oh, talaga ah. Panginginom guess ah. Yeah, he's right. We have a whiskey tasting later. So, Jameson, it started back somewhere in Smithfield. So, sa Smithfield, it's somewhere in Dublin. Okay, so that time Dublin was a growing place. Perfect a time for the business. And at the same time, it was the second largest city of Ireland and Britain. And during that time, there were well over 100 breweries and distilleries all throughout Dublin. However, many would fail, some succeed. For over 2 centuries later, there was some who remained, and one of them is John Jameson Distillery on Bow Street. But yeah, malalaman mo itong droplets na to, malalaman mo kung anong klase ng body yung whiskey. Kung mabilis siya bumagsak, light body. Pagka ano lang, medyo katamtaman, medium. Pag sobrang bagal, light body. So yun lang yung difference niya. Okay? Sa texture ng whiskey. Ngayon, we're going to smell it. Pero, so kaya natin sinaswirl yung whiskey para lumabas yung aroma niya. At the same time, merong alcohol na nag-evaporate. Kaya hindi ko pinapaamoy sa inyo kagad kasi pag inamoy nyo yun, medyo masakit sa ilong. Kaya ang gagawin natin is swirl natin and then give it a hold. Hold like for 3 to 5 seconds. And then we smell it. Then we nose it. Mouth slightly open. Amoyin dahan-dahan. And then, pag ininom nyo in such a way na madadampi yung labi nyo, ilalagay nyo sa loob ng bibig nyo for 5 seconds. And then, that's the time you swallow it. Bakit? Para ma-appreciate nyo yung mga flavors na nasa whiskey. Oh, ano na? Kamusta? Kamusta yung pakiramdam? Okay, so notice it's a little bit spicy. It's a little bit spicy. It has a little bit of cream. Now this is because of the unmalted barley. In Ireland, we say it's sláinte. And yeah, sláinte means health, to health. Oh, yes, to health. Sláinte! Sláinte! You drink it, ah. Make sure you drink it. I'm looking at you.
Thank you, Jameson. At least I got a free tote bag. Jameson whiskey. I'm sold. At least next time, pag bibili ako ng whiskey, I know na what Jameson is and where it came from and the history of it. At least I got the connection. That's a good marketing exercise.